It is so nice outside. I'm gonna throw some rice to the birds. No!
You can't throw rice.
Why not?
Birds eat the rice and their stomach explodes.
No it doesn't.
Yes, it does. And I'll tell you why. Ever heard of people throwing rice at weddings? My cousin told me at my aunt's wedding that rice kills birds. Why would you want to do that? I don't want to kill birds. But apparently you can throw rice at weddings because it doesn't kill birds. And we'll talk about why. So why did I think that this little grain of rice would make a bird explode? Well, when the birds eat the rice and then they drink the water, the rice expands just like it does when you cook the rice, and the bird explodes. Well, apparently, that is not the case. So this little grain of rice contains several starch granules inside. Those starch granules contain hydroxyl groups inside. Hydroxyl groups love water. So when you put the rice in the water attaches to the hydroxyl groups, causing the starch to expand. But I was forgetting about one essential part of rice cooking: the heat. So with the bird having the rice in his stomach, or crop that birds have as opposed to human stomachs, it would need to be heated in order for the water to mix with the rice, to expand, to make the bird explode. And if the bird is heating up enough to cook the rice, the bird has other problems. So now that we know that uncooked rice won't make a bird explode, I can tell my cousin that she was way wrong, and you can throw a handful of rice at the next wedding you attend.